If you're experiencing login failures on Replicate 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it might be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't log in, reach out to Replicate's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Replicate 2026. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.